Why's that shit always gonna rain?
Ah, puto.
Oye! Onward and upward! ¡Cágate!
¡Donde diablo!
¡El diablo!
¡El diablo de la
¡Montaña!
montaña! Karate Kid.
The karate.
Coming for your
The
women.
I brought a 2-pack. Bought a 2-pack. Two. You brought 2. Oh yeah.
You have to use the ladder, man.
Oh yeah. Use the ladder.
Okay, you gotta come back down and do that 10 times. You said you wanted to sweat. Get back down here, coyote.
I'm tired now, man.
Oh,
Back and
no,
forth,
you
back and
got
forth, back
9
and forth.
more.
I'm tired.
Oh, now you're tired. Now you don't want to sweat.
I'm too old. I'm 65.
Liar.
65, buddy. Remember.
Lies.
He's 75. Liar.
Liar, liar.
I'm about 70
Hey,
drug years. If
I've
I
never-
count all the drug use,
Right?
I should
I
be
never
dead,
lie in my
technically.
life. Never.
In all honesty, no joke.
I should have been dead a long time ago.
What you thought you would get a salutation? House that, if this is real rap salutation. On the street, we're good and bad, good and bad. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You want to walk 50 miles? We could walk all the way to that mountain. Me, you, and him did from here. Yeah?
Patos! Ángel!
Give me your drugs, man.
You have some?
Give them to me.
This reminds me of the Coyote Trail.
How much for your women?
What you thought you would get a salutation? House that, if this is real rap salutation. On the street, we're good and bad, good and bad. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And DJ. I got to get DJ dancing. Oh, that was fucking great.
Watch out, Chris.
Do not throw that on the ground.
That's pretty good, though.
Oh, that's
You know
a good
why?
one.
Because you're trying to destroy their fucking house.
Yeah.
Look, you're digging holes, you're throwing trash.
We already killed the salamander.
Kill the
Look,
salamander.
look, what I find there. Look, what I find there.
Yeah, what you find? Nothing.
15 cents. 15 cents.
That's
15
trash.
That's
cents.
trash. Oh, great. You
is it
found
all?
trash. Good job.
That's an old. Somebody put it.
action movie. You wanna fight? No! No! No!
And the winner.
Come out sweating balls worse.
Try to take a mean shit.
You get the kiss of Poseidon, the blue kiss from the water when you shit and splash your butthole.
It gives you, yeah, it gives you a butthole tattoo.
The kiss of Poseidon, dude. Coming up and you, mwah!
Right? Those things are so gross.
Yeah. But yes, you gotta go.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
I used a 5-gallon bucket with a trap.
What you thought you would get a salutation? House that, nigga, this is real rap sanitation.
No, you gotta win. Smoke too many cigarettes.
The son is way better.
Oh yeah.
The boy has got it. Isn't Fod's kid a professional?
Fod?
Fod has a son that's like semi-pro.
Oh, where are we going? That way.
Jesus, don't follow him.
They breaking the whole leg.
Ooh.
That's why they don't play anymore.
He stopped playing?
From a tree. Go, Sammy. Go get it. Go get it. I think you could get it. Jump.
Too high, bato.
Come on.
Too high, bato. Too high.
I thought he played soccer.
I need an elevator.
I thought he played soccer. Oh, Sammy does play soccer on the computer.
Video game.
On the PlayStation. Oh, I play soccer every Sunday on PlayStation.
Every day. Every day.
He plays the FIFA.
Hi, everybody.
He plays the FIFA.